That time, no route this side also. So I have to go all the way to Kathmandu. So 18 days. Yeah, with my father. So that's the route. So people who have money, they will have a small Nepali restaurant. But most people like us, we have no money, so we have to go to the riverside with a few spoons of flour, spelt flour, but it's healthy. So with the water, that's lunch. I think I'm working up maybe more than 25 years after. So it's like almost 360-degree change. And let's say this is yours, isn't it?
Yes.
So then,
Oh,
almost.
okay.
Yeah, so now.
Well done.
So I say, okay, don't know what's going on with Dr. Miles, I was thinking, very positive, but don't.
Freaking out.
Really? This is the very much entrance towards Tsum Valley and the Hidden Valley. And that particular stupa is a man-made kind of sign or the symbol of where you are entering into the bayou. Then over there you can see that big rock. So that is the natural sign. And this area talks about the gathering of 100,000 dakinis, Kandobum. So the gathering of 100,000 dakinis to open the door to the hidden valley or the valley that blessed by Guru Padmasambhava, where there's a lot of Dharma treasures. So for a purified mind, I think that rock is not a rock. So that rock could be the dakini that was representing in the physical form. So it's a living nature. So very much start from this particular entry. And rejoice, and may we have all the blessings and all the hardship, now the real hardship of climbing I think start from here, and the real purifications, the real accumulations of merit, I think everything, I think very much start. Last 2 hours is more about warm up. These are stupa. The stupa. So inside the ropes, so most of the ropes are actually got on mantras. And these are like, this one is in Tibetan language, this one is Sanskrit language. So yeah. Ha, a, sha, sa, ma, ha. So in the sutra I mentioned, just seeing once, it purifies 100 million eons of negative imprints in our system.
You're in good shape right now.
Definitely. So just this alone, I think we already achieved the purpose. Even we don't know, just pass by, you know. This area is the opening door to the hidden valley.
So this is the portal, the doorway.
Doorway. And the sign of the doorway is this particular stone, which symbolizes 100,000 dakinis, which open the door of Guru Padmasambhava's Deyu. And now, the lady here, she says that this stone was actually dakini, the 100,000 dakini is the one that who brought this in place here, transported here. So I was talking about in future I want to carve maybe mantra to symbolize peace, Om Mani Padme Hum, in 4 directions. So I asked her to think about it, and maybe we can do one project like that.
Wow.
So maybe from here and slowly I will spot some. We had a vision before. Everything is creations of your mind, invitation of your mind. The moment it creates in your heart, then just matter of time. Maybe 10 lifetimes later, doesn't matter. But this definitely will happen the moment you aspire, especially for the benefit of the universe, benefit of the being. So I hope one day this will come true.
There's a village up higher.
Yeah, up higher.
Wow. Welcome to Tsum! Welcome, 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 welcome! Wow. Oh. Yes! We almost made it, but a lot to go. Shagya rules is very much the ethic of Shakyamuni Buddha. You can also understand that. Shagya also meaning about abstaining anything to do with meat. So concerning the well-being of any creatures, any living beings. So these are the rules which created by the living Bodhisattva, Bhutanese Lama called Drupa Rinpoche, who established Rachen Monastery. And this is, I think, one of the main culture and value of Tsum Valley. We have to go like this, then like this. Yeah, then you go like that. And we have to go behind this mountain, you know. Come on. Oh, la la.
Yeah.
Further away. Yep. So Gumlung. So this one, there's a
Orang kan mama.
better take a shot like this.
Because this area is the first settlement of Zumba people. I think the land itself is one of the oldest temple. Maybe from the stupa may see something.
Dame Choegyal pe lang long Choegyal sa dang lam je yön de rab zon do je chang je gong ba nyu do sho.
Utilizing earth, water, fire, wind. That's why the wind, the prayer flag for the wind, like these powerful mantras in the prayer will return by water, streams. Then at the soil, we carve mantras, fire, burn incense. All this for the benefit of numberless sentient beings' well-being. So beautiful. It's a Lingzi breed. So this will grow for years and years. So longer it grow, the size grow, then more medicinal components grow, and it used for cancer treatments, especially in China. We made it. And now, if you go through this entrance, this is a place where all the mystic things happened. Some local they went in there, and actually they disappear one whole year or more. And even the family members, they perform a ritual that their family member, that person was passed away. But then they come back. But their experience was just one morning experience. So it sounds like in a God realm. So then they express what they saw is that is celestial of light. They saw many cows, but the cows are emanating lights from their body. And in the West we talk about unicorn. So they express exactly like they are like animals, like unicorn is inside there. and many kind of wild animals like antelope, etc., etc. But every of those animals are emanating light from their body, and their bodies are giant. So we've been hearing this story since young, and after I exposed to some Western fiction movies, and there's one movie, what is that movie? I don't know. Like they just went into like Harry Potter type movie, very much like that, you know. And these people never watch fiction movie, never have any education about anything about that, and they are also not really spiritual people.
Normal people.
They have faith in Buddha, but they never study the Dharma. They are mostly illiterate. But when they explain, it's like they are reading scripture by a great scholar, great poetic, beautiful. So these things experience inside here. So it's quite. I wish to go one day. Please be careful. So you want to take picture or whatever. So get reminded behind. Everything is possible. The voidness of any inherent existence makes everything is possible. Emptying the samsara is possible. Emptying the causes of samsara, like such as karma, ignorance, is possible. Actualizing enlightenment is possible. Actualizing causes of enlightenment, the merit of wisdom, merit of method is possible. So simply have that conviction. On the basis of that, then generate altruistic motivation, bodhicitta motivation, by dedicating entire one's existence until achieve enlightenment. In particularly, entire this life, this very year, this very month, this very week, this very time, be absolute, sincere, wholehearted service of numberless sentient beings, temporary happiness up to the ultimate happiness of enlightenment. So on the basis of that motivation, then whatever journey that we have accomplished and whatever journey I had, everything going to be so meritorious, so beneficial. He still look handsome?
Very, very.
Göshona nande yawa.
Where do you go? I guess my
Ke